I have a Bosch cooktop that has error 42. The local repair firm gave in $600 estimate to replace control board. Is there any way I can buy the parts and fix?
I'll do all I can to help. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
The error 42 code come on at least twice a day when the cooktop is not in use. If we need to use when the light is flashing, I have to turn off circuit breaker to clear code. Then it will work.
Is there anything else important you think the appliance technician should know?
I turned off the breaker this morning, turned on the elements one at a time. When I turned the fourth element on, the error came back and shut the top down.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the appliance technician about your situation and then connect you to. I'll let you know when it is your turn.
Do you have a model number by chance?
Net 7452 UC.
So yes, you can order and replace this board if you'd like. Sears always has the best prices on Bosch parts, and in fact the part is $400 retail, but at Sears it's only $220, so that's a significant price difference since they have a deal with Bosch. Either way, below is a link to the board you'll need to order and replace. Click here for control board. Here is the procedure to replacing the board. Turn off power, circuit breaker, caution high voltage inside the cooktop. Lift the cooktop out of the hole in the countertop and slide it on a flat surface. Remove all screws around the metal housing using a Torx screwdriver. Carefully tilt the glass top out of the housing on the front, noting that there are electrical connections in the rear, and place the rear end of the glass on a stable surface. You may need someone's assistance here. After double-checking that there is no power, record the color coding of the 4 wires connected to the glass assembly: green for ground, white, black, red from left to right. Next, open the black plastic cover by removing 4 Torx screws. Carefully remove from the connector on the left the plastic strip connecting to the display board. Carefully remove the circuit board with relays and capacitors that is held in place by plastic tabs. Install the new board. Reassemble and done. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Do you know the part has the circuit board?
Sure, it's in the link I sent you for the part before, but it's part number 00449806.
Do you feel confident this will fix the problem?
Yes, I do. This is the only part that causes error 42.
Thanks for the help.
No problem, and I wish you only the best. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.